Hello everyone, welcome back to In Your Space by Milagro Interiors. My name is Maria and today I'm going to show you how you can preserve strawberries longer in your refrigerator. Strawberries are an amazing antioxidant. They have vitamin C and potassium and magnesium, and they also have vitamin B6. I'm going to show you how I preserve strawberries longer in my household. So what I do is I grab, so I have everything set up here. Here are my strawberries. I put them in a bowl of water and I keep them in the bowl for about 2 minutes. I put this little cup of vinegar with water in my bowl and I dump them in. This is very heavy. Okay, so I'm going to pour my vinegar into my water and you dump your strawberries in here and again you soak it for 2 minutes. So you want to dunk the strawberries right in there, massage them, clean them, move them around. So once your 2 minutes is up, you want to make sure your strawberries are perfectly dry. So I have this towel right here. What I'm going to do is lay them out here on the towel and leave them out to dry. I will leave them out to dry for a little bit and then I'll pat them dry. I feel like I have my own strawberry farm. Look how dirty this water is. So I'm going to dry one by one. And as I dry, I'm going to put them in my container. Again, you want to know a paper towel at the bottom of your container so that it can absorb the rest of the moisture that the strawberry might have. And then in 2 days, you want to check this paper towel, see if it's wet, and you would like to replace it. I'm actually going to put two here. And as I dry it, I'm going to place it in my container and put it in my refrigerator. Okay, so this one is full, so I'm going to grab this paper towel and place it on top and start another layer on top of this one. You don't want them touching each other. They're all done. They can last in the refrigerator for blah 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 blah. They can last in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. We actually love cutting up strawberries. We place it in a bowl with a little bit of sugar, so they caramelize a little bit. They produce their own syrup, and delicious on pancakes, French toast. Yum, very good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet, what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe. Getting these great tips. So click the like below and thank you again for watching. My name is Maria. Ciao for now.